Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Sunday Cook with me. Well, today we're doing another sandwich, and this is our third out of 4. And so far we have used sweet Hawaiian rolls for 1. We have used crescent rolls for 1. And today we're going to be using a can of biscuits. And this sandwich is called a turkey and Swiss biscuit. And it's sort of like a little bit of a turkey dinner, but it sounds really good. Now, obviously you can change out the meat, you can change out the cheese, or anything you'd like as far as how to put it together. But I'm going to be doing only half the recipe because the recipe actually makes 16 sandwiches. And I know that we couldn't handle 16 sandwiches, and I'm not sure how well biscuit sandwiches would reheat. But again, this is another good sandwich for a football crowd coming over, or a few friends stopping in, or even for your family for a dinner. Maybe with a cup of soup. It'd be very nice. So I'm going to put these together and I'll take you down to the counter. So simple, I think. That's what they say. And we'll see what we can come up with a turkey Swiss slider. Back in just a minute. All right, I'm down at the counter. Now the ingredients are very simple. There's really only 3. We have some turkey lunch meat. We have some whole berry cranberry sauce. And we have some Swiss cheese. And I forgot to get a serrated knife. And then we have the can of biscuits. This makes 8 biscuits, so I'm just going to use 4 of them. And what I'll do is just cook the rest of the biscuits up normally, and we'll use them maybe for dinner tonight or with lunch tomorrow. And I didn't get that started very well. There we go. I've started by preheating my oven to 350. And man, they were under some pressure. And I've lined this baking sheet with parchment paper. Now I'm going to take each one of these that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to cut it in half this way. So each roll will make 2 sandwiches. So I'm going to cut 4 of these. And you need, obviously, to be using a serrated knife to get through there. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we'll just put these as they are. I'll just set it down for now. Okay, I'm going to take each one of these, and I'm going to do it over here, I think. I'm going to spread it out to be like a 5.5 to 2-inch piece. Okay. Take a piece of cheese, and I'm going to cut it in quarters. 1 piece of cheese will make 2 sandwiches. Okay, I'm going to put a piece of cheese. I'm going to take a piece of turkey meat and fold it to try to get it as much on there as possible. I take a second piece of cheese, and I'm going to take a nice spoonful of whole berry cranberry sauce. And I'm going to put it right here. Then I'm going to bring this one up and over. And that's it. I'm not sealing it. Okay? Let's do that again. Could roll them out, I suppose. Piece of cheese. Fold up a piece of turkey. Another piece of cheese. And a nice spoonful of cranberry sauce. Bring this one up and over. Let me move my pan this way, and I'll move you over. So you get a little closer view of me making the sandwich. Okay? Let's see if I use a rolling pin, if that makes it easier. I don't have little rolling pins. Oh yeah, that does make it a lot easier. Cheese in half, actually in quarters. A piece of cheese. Fold up a piece of turkey. Put another piece of cheese. And a nice teaspoon of cranberry sauce. And bring this top up and over. And I opened this whole can of cranberry sauce. Well, you had to open the whole can, but I just dumped it out. We're going to be having a pork roast. I'm stretching this a little bit to make it come over, but I'm not trying to close it up. We're having a pork roast in the crock pot tomorrow, so I'll just use that with the meat. I'm folding the turkey a lot like you would fold a shirt. Three more. I'm folding in both sides and then top to bottom, and that makes it fit pretty good there. Stretch it out and bring it up over. This dough gets a little hard to roll after a while because it gets soft as it gets warm. But I'll just stretch it this way. One more piece of cheese. I have 2 more sandwiches to make. Cheese. turkey, cheese, cranberry sauce. Stretch it up and over. And I think I'll just use my hands for this one because it is getting a little bit soft for the rolling pin. Cheese. And I think I mentioned it, but I'm preheating my oven to 350. So, there you go. Let me get this out of the way. And I will show you what they look like. I'm going to just move this one over so I can put my other biscuit there. So there you go. Now I'm going to get a little bit of melted butter and just melt the butter on the top of these. Be right back. Okay, here we are. A little bit of melted butter. Two tablespoons of butter. I might as well put some on the biscuits too. And they're going to go in the 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. I'll bring you back when I bring them out. See you in a bit. Well, here they are right out of the oven. And funny thing is, when I took them out, my first thought was it looks like somebody's sticking their tongue out. Don't you love to play with your food? I've already taken 3 off and put them on a plate. And I can see why you want the parchment paper. You'd never get them off the pan. Ooh, they look as if they're going to be tasty though. Oh. There you go, look at that. Now I'm going to see if I can get, oops, I'm crooked. I'm very crooked. There I am. I'm going to see if I can get a taste. Now, the problem that I have is I think the cranberry sauce is what's going to be hotter, hotter, hotter. So, let's see what I can do here. The ham and cheese is elegant. I mean ham, turkey. I mean, there is nothing better than a nice, hot, fresh out of the oven burning your mouth. That cranberry sauce makes it. See it? Don't let it drip on you though, because it'll burn. I'm going to wait just a few minutes And then I'm going to eat some more. These are very, very tasty and very light. Delicious. I ate the whole thing. And I just got notified that my groceries were ready for pickup at Walmart. Walmart's going to have to wait. So this is excellent, excellent. Let me bring you back down. Enough of me. They're very, very good. And they cook up nicely. I'm just going to try to get this separated from this paper. The cheese hardens. All right. So there you go. I'll just serve these with a few chips. They're, they are tasty, but they're very light. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I will be back again on Tuesday. It'll be a craft day. And then next week we've got one more sandwich day, and I have another type of bread. So make sure you stay tuned for that too. So here I am. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you Tuesday. Have a great afternoon. Hope your right football team wins. We're looking at football today. And I will see you later. Until then, Gator, everybody play nice now. Love you. Bye-bye.